Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Business Intelligence by Cal. Today we will discuss the topic of business intelligence and artificial intelligence AI and try to understand what are the differences and what are the commonalities or synergies. So let's start. Business intelligence, BI, and artificial intelligence, AI, are both crucial in today's data driven business landscape. However, they serve distinct purposes and functions in different ways. Below is a comprehensive comparison of the two. Business intelligence. Business intelligence, BI, which is commonly called as BI, definition of the BI encompasses technologies, applications, and methodologies used to collect, integrate, analyze, and present business data. Its primarily purpose is to facilitate informed decision making. Focus BI is centered on descriptive analytics, helping organizations understand past and present business performance, and, and based on that, management, business analyst, and data analyst make a guideline for the organization. What are the steps to what are the steps to follow? So data sources. BI systems primarily process structured data from databases, data warehouses, and other storage systems. Tools and techniques. Common BI tools include dashboard, reports, data visualization software like Tableau, Power BI, and OLAP online analytical processing. Output. BI delivers insights through reports, charts, dashboards that summarize key business matrices. User interaction. BI is primarily used by a business analyst, as already mentioned. These managers, executives for data-driven decision making within the organizations. So they are already the experts in their domain. So they utilize the BI information to make future decisions. Now let's move to the artificial intelligence. AI refers to simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks such as decision making, pattern recognition, and language processing without explicit programming. AI focuses on predictive and prescriptive analytics, enabling businesses to forecast future trends and automate decision-making processes. So data sources. AI can process both structured and unstructured data, including text, images, videos, and sensor data. Tools and techniques. AI technologies include machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, NLP, neural networks, with the tools such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Output. AI generates predictions, recommendations, automated decisions, and autonomous actions. User interaction. AI system may function autonomously or support human users, benefiting roles from data scientists to end users interacting with AI powered applications. Key differences between BI and AI. Business intelligence, artificial intelligence aspect. Purpose. Understand past and present business performance, predict future outcome, and automate decision making, data handling, primarily structured data. Artificial intelligence can utilize structured and unstructured data. Analytics type. So basically, BI use descriptive analytics, what happened, what is happening. Based on that, we can make some decisions. So predictive analytics is what will happen, and prescriptive analytics, what should be done. Automation requires human intervention for interpretation and actions. Can automated decision making processes and actions. Complexity. Rule based analysis relatively straightforward. Use complex algorithms and models that learn from data. How BI and AI can complement each other. BI and AI serve different roles. They are increasingly integrated to enhance decision making. BI as a foundation. BI provides structured historical data that AI models use for forecasting and optimization. AI enhances BI. AI can extend BI by offering predictive capabilities and automation. For example, BI may highlight declining sales and need quite some time to analyze the reason and diagnosis. While AI can automate, for example, analyze customer behavior to predict future and trends and suggest solutions. Real world integrations. Many modern BI platforms such as Power BI and Tableau incorporate AI features like anomaly detection, natural language queries, and automated insights. So, in the real world integration, many of the BI platforms such as Power BI, so they are basically now there is an integration between AI and BI in the platforms like Power BI and Tableau. Practical use case example: BI alone. If a company is using BI, a company uses BI to generate reports showing 10% drop in customer retention over the past 3 months. Plus, I would say they need uh, plus they may they may they may require services of company professionals like business analysts, CFOs, analysts, analyst to support and create plan of actions. So AI alone, an AI model predicts which customers are likely to churn next month based on behavioral patterns. So if when we have a BI plus AI, BI identifies the customer retention decline, and AI analyzes customer interactions to predict churn risk and suggest personalized retention strategies. So conclusion at the end, our conclusion is BI focuses on understanding past and present data to guide decision making, while AI anticipate future trends and automate responses. When used together, they provide a powerful synergy. BI offers what and where, while AI delivers why and what's next. Businesses often implement BI first to establish a data-driven culture before leveraging AI for deeper insights. So thank you everyone. If you like this, we will end our video here. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like. And thanks and have a great day.